already did.
Hi, I'm Mr. Freddy's pal.
Yo, I am the little circus boy.
That's not what I sound like. First off, space of time of kuna pratikan dia sang yesang don't ganasi.
Oh, I am Odette, and I live up in the sky because I'm the good girl in the whole world.
Oh, I'm Odette. Odette? Odette? Why would I say Odette? Odette.
Oh, hi, I am Piggy Girl. You know how good you are.
Hi, I'm Piggy Girl.
I am Garten of Banban Boy. How are you doing?
Oh, hi. I'm Garten of Banban Boy. How are you doing today?
Hi, I am Sharon. I'm emo. Meet my friends.
Hi, I am Sharon. I am emo. Meet my friends.
Oh yeah, I am Vector, and I like to make music, and I like the snake. Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm Vector. I like to meet Vector.
Boop, beep, beep. I am Alex the robot because I know how good you are. Beep boop bop.
What ganga si apa pangi anga seka. Nika nakandi sanga.
Oh, hi, I'm Ozzie. Nice to meet you.
Oh, hi, I'm Ozzie. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Puppy Playtime Boy. What do you want to see my tricks?
Hey, I'm Puppy Playtime Boy. Do you want to see my tricks?
Voila! I am Susie, the flower girl. I like the little circus boy.
In what kind of way?
Love.
I thought you loved like going the thing. Oh yeah, I make music.
Hi, I am Doris Girl. Good bee.
Good bee. Oh, good bee.
I am Molly. I live underground because I am the baddest girl in the whole world.
What are you drinking? What are you drinking? Like what? What is that? Is those souls in there? You drinking souls? You can't even make it. You're too laughy, baby. No, I didn't even get to do it. Let me do it.
Oh yeah, I am Robin, made to made. I like to make music. Yeah.
I'm Robin. Yeah. Oh yeah, I like to make music. Oh yeah, I like to make music.
I am Foxy. I am Javesti. Your time is just about to run out.
What? You're stuck to the ship like a barnacle. Yeah.
Hi, I am Rainbow Friends Girl. Want to meet my own friends? I got Miss Rainbow and my brother Alan and my Aunt Anna. And also Mr. Rainbow.
Hi. I don't know what to say. Bye-bye.
Hey, Mr. Pasian, what do you have to say for yourself? What do you mean, digital circus boy? What do you mean?
What do you mean to say, Peter? What the heck? What?